Which foods are essential for managing peripheral neuropathy? Peripheral neuropathy, a condition that damages nerves in the hands and feet, can lead to symptoms like numbness, tingling, and pain. For anyone facing this issue, the right foods may help ease these symptoms and support nerve health. While diet alone isn't a cure, certain nutrients have shown promising effects on nerve repair, blood circulation, and inflammation reduction. 3 key factors for managing this condition. Imagine gaining some relief just by making thoughtful food choices, an approach that's both natural and accessible. Top foods for managing peripheral neuropathy. 1. B vitamins, the nerve protectors. B vitamins, especially B1, thiamine, B6, and B12, are vital for nerve health. They help with nerve function, repair, and protection. Thiamine is known for reducing pain and discomfort in nerve-damaged areas, while B6 supports nerve signal transmission, and B12 is essential for forming myelin, a protective coating around nerves. Foods rich in these vitamins include whole grains like oats, brown rice, and barley, green vegetables like spinach and kale, lean proteins such as chicken and turkey, fish like salmon and trout, which are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These foods are easy to incorporate into daily meals and can bring noticeable improvements with regular consumption. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids for reducing inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids are powerful inflammation fighters. Chronic inflammation can worsen neuropathy symptoms, so including omega-3 rich foods helps keep it under control. These fats support healthy blood flow and nerve function, offering potential pain relief for those with neuropathy. Key omega-3 sources are fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, flax seeds and chia seeds, which are excellent plant-based options, walnuts for a snack rich in both fats and fiber. Regular consumption of omega-3 foods can help reduce the frequency and intensity of neuropathy symptoms. 3. Antioxidants for nerve protection. Oxidative stress damages nerves over time, so consuming antioxidant-rich foods can protect against this. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, molecules that damage cells, and help repair nerve tissues. Some good antioxidant-rich foods include berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, dark leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard, bell peppers and broccoli, which are rich in vitamins A and C, nuts like almonds and sunflower seeds, which also provide vitamin E. Including these colorful foods in your diet can shield nerves from further damage and enhance overall nerve health. 4. Magnesium for nerve repair and relaxation. Magnesium is known to calm the nervous system, relieve muscle cramps, and aid nerve regeneration. For those with peripheral neuropathy, magnesium-rich foods can help ease pain and discomfort, especially in the legs and feet. Include foods like avocados for healthy fats and fiber, bananas for a natural source of potassium and magnesium, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds for an easy snack, dark chocolate, in moderation, a delicious treat with nerve-boosting benefits. This mineral also supports better sleep, a crucial factor in pain management. 5. Alpha-Lipoic acid for pain relief. Alpha-Lipoic acid is a potent antioxidant that may ease pain, improve blood flow, and support nerve regeneration. Research suggests it can reduce symptoms like burning, tingling, and numbness, making it particularly beneficial for those with diabetes-related neuropathy. Foods high in alpha-lipoic acid include spinach and broccoli for a quick addition to salads and meals, tomatoes for sauces and fresh dishes, Brussels sprouts and peas as nutrient-dense side options. Supplementing with these foods or alpha-lipoic acid with medical guidance can bring comfort to those with persistent symptoms. 6. Vitamin D for nerve health. Low levels of vitamin D can worsen neuropathy symptoms and lead to nerve pain. This vitamin plays a role in nerve repair and immune support, making it vital for managing neuropathy. You can boost vitamin D levels by eating egg yolks for a simple, versatile source, mushrooms, particularly those exposed to sunlight, like maitake and shiitake, fortified foods such as certain dairy products and cereals, Spending time in the sun also helps your body produce this essential vitamin naturally. Managing peripheral neuropathy through diet isn't about quick fixes. It's about consistently choosing nutrient-dense foods that promote nerve health and reduce pain. Including these nerve-supportive foods, rich in B vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, magnesium, alpha-lipoic acid, and vitamin D, may bring relief and improve your quality of life. Want to learn even more about nutrition? Click on the next video to discover other healthy foods. And if you enjoyed the content, please subscribe for practical, healthy eating tips.